We started our day early and headed to Canyonlands National Park from Green River and exited off I-70 and headed toward Moab on 191. Upon reaching Highway 313, we turned and went up to the Island in the Sky section of Canyonlands. After checking in at the Visitor Center, we stopped to do a short hike to Mesa Arch and were able to catch the sunrise reflection on the arch. Then went on to the Murphy Point trailhead. The hike to Murphy Point was 3 miles round trip and we had the entire trail to ourselves. After completing our hike, we went on and drove to the Grand Point overlook and stopped at all the other overlooks on our way back out of the park.